Hello viewers, it is my esteemed pleasure to welcome you to yet another tutorial video. And in this tutorial video, I will wish to take you through how to make custom openings in walls, or rather perforations in walls using the simplest tool, which is the window tool. So stay with me in this tutorial video as I take you through this simple exercise. And please, before we proceed, kindly consider subscribing to this YouTube channel so that you may not miss any of our upcoming videos in this platform. So to begin with, I have a simple design here, and in most cases, there are instances where you may not have to have or add windows to walls in a timely fashion. So in most of these cases, you'll realize that most of the posh or just uh, and the exterior ends of the buildings will need an opening, and in most cases, people wonder how to have these openings in place just to make the air circulation in the room more favorable. So I'll first profile my walls that I will wish to have the custom openings in them. So in this case, I have here where I have to put my opening, and then also I have the rear side that I will wish to have the openings uh, design. So my first assignment is to go to my floor plan, and I've already highlighted the entire wall section, but because I only interested in the porch, or rather the front side of the design, this is where I'll click on the window tool. Then I'll go to the settings dialog where the window settings will be, and then I'll immediately go to the empty windows and openings choice. Then I will look for a favorable one that I will wish to have in that particular design. So in this case, for the partial, sorry, for the porch, or rather the front side of my house design, I will have an arc top window. Then I'll first place it so that I can be able to customize it to the settings that I want. So for this window opening, or rather the preview and the position part of the dialog box, I'll leave it for some time, and then I'll click OK. Then I'll be able to select the points where I'll need the openings to be. So I'll click on that. Then I want them as two, so I'll click on another one here. Yeah. So the next thing that I'll do is just to look at it on the 3D section so that I will be able to know how to customize the rest of the settings. So I'll zoom out, and then I'll look at how those openings are coming out. I believe you can see that they are pretty small, so I'll go back and do the customization based on the wall dimensions. So I'll click on the wall, look at the dimensions first. Of course, that is what will help me to customize the settings to my own taste and preference. So I'll see here, I see the wall height is 7,000. So in that case, I will play along with this height. I'll go to this window. Sorry. Click on it, then I'll look at the settings. So here I can see that it is 1000, has a height of 1000. So for me, I'll ensure that it occupies something close to 5000. I think that will be okay. So I'll change the width first. I'll have it as 5. Then I'll go to the seal to story. For me, I'll have it as 500, of course, based on the slab thickness. Then for this, I'll have this as say 5,000, or rather, let me say 5,000. Yes, I think that will be okay. Then uh, I'll click OK. Uh, See how it goes. I believe that is okay. So I'll customize even to the other one. So I'll have this as 5,000. Have this as 500. And then lastly, I'll have this as 25. Then I'll click OK. See how they're coming out. So I believe you can see that we have built the custom fields, sorry, the custom openings to something tangible. I think we can just adjust their width, their respective widths. So I can change that to 3,000. So let me change this to 3,000. Then okay, that is sizable. Then I'll go to the side of that front view, and I'll do the same. But this time round, I'll make the widths a bit larger. So I'll still go back to the window tool, click on it, go to the settings dialog, and then I'll still choose on the archtop window. Then for this, I'll change the width to 4,000, and then the window seal now the seal to story, sorry, will be something a bit higher. So I'll choose 3,000, or let me say 2,000, and then the height will be 3,000. I believe that will be okay. I'll click on that, then I'll click on that, and I'll also click on that. So I believe that is okay. Then I'll go to the 3D, see how it's coming along. So I'll just increase the height a bit, increase the height. So I believe now that is okay. It's spacious. Still feel there is an adjustment that we can do on the front openings. We can do to the in terms of the width, I can adjust that to 4,000. think that will be more elaborate. Let me see that. Yes. So I believe that is okay. So we've had our first custom openings. Of course, that will. I really need to emphasize the fact that for this we can be able to put some grills on those openings just in case you need some. So I think that will help when it comes to adding the aesthetic value to the building. So I'll go to this particular window. I can let me put it a bit central, and that will be okay. Then I can, that will be a bit, yeah. So I can make readjustments to it so that I'll have the opening. I'll have the opening just beside the walls. I can make changes. So I'll use a height of 5,000. See how it goes. Then still, I will use the window to seal. I'll have it as 500. Click OK. Then for this, the next one, be able to use the height as 5,000. I'd rather the height as 3,000. Then I'll change this to 2,500. Then the seal to story, I'll have it as 2,000. Then I'll click OK. Then I'll have it there, and we'll also have it there. That for us will be complete. So I'll look at the 3D. So I'll try and move the window almost to the edge. Move it, sorry. So if there's an adjustment that I need to make here, I think will be on the height. I believe that is okay. So viewers, that is what I wish to help us learn today. You just have to make these empty openings on walls so that you can be able to make other wall elements, sorry, or other decorative elements such as the grills and even the doors. I've come to the end of this tutorial. Please if consider subscribing to this YouTube channel, and also like, comment, and even share the tutorial to your other viewers. And also, please, if you have any part that you feel you have not understood well, kindly give us a, a message down in the comment section, and we'll all be helped. So for now, thank you and have a good day.